Discover the earthy and versatile world of portobello mushrooms. These hardy fungi, also known as Agaricus bisporus, are a popular choice among mushroom lovers and culinary enthusiasts alike. Hi friends! Welcome back to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating characteristics, culinary uses, and health benefits of portobello mushrooms. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new updates. Portobello mushrooms are characterized by their large, mature form, with a cap that can grow up to 6 inches in diameter. They have a distinct and robust flavor that intensifies when cooked, making them a delightful addition to a wide range of recipes. One of the remarkable qualities of portobello mushrooms is their versatility in the kitchen. They can be enjoyed in numerous ways: grilled, roasted, sautéed, stuffed, or used as a meaty substitute in vegetarian dishes. Their meaty texture and rich taste make them an excellent choice for burgers, steaks, stir-fries, and even as a pizza topping. In addition to their culinary appeal, portobello mushrooms also offer various health benefits. They are low in calories and fat, making them a nutritious option for those watching their weight. Portobellos are an excellent source of fiber, B vitamins, potassium, and antioxidants. They also contain a unique antioxidant called ergothioneine, which has been linked to potential health benefits, including immune system support and reducing inflammation. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an adventurous home cook, portobello mushrooms provide a canvas for creativity in the kitchen. When selecting portobellos, look for firm caps without dark spots or excessive moisture. You can find them at your local farmer's market or grocery store, or even try growing your own with a mushroom growing kit. From gourmet meals to simple, flavorful creations, portobello mushrooms elevate any dish they're added to. So, the next time you're looking to enhance your culinary repertoire, don't forget to grab some portobellos and let their earthy goodness take center stage in your kitchen. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching this exploration of portobello mushrooms. We hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these versatile fungi. Stay tuned for more exciting agricultural adventures.